So he said, similarly in the path to Allah, in the path of Allah, in the way of Allah, when one exchanges his bad deeds, what does happen? It's exchanged with good deeds. When you leave a sin, you get to do a good deed. If you stop drinking alcohol, you are getting different kind of juices, different kind of drinks, milk, orange juice, mango juice, apple juice, so many things. You are not really leaving things, you are only leaving the harmful. So he's saying that when you leave bad deeds, it's not that you are leaving, you are only getting away from the negativity, you are getting good in exchange. It's like your phone, a bad phone which is not working, which stopped working, which battery just actually drains in minutes, and it's all malfunctioning, the system, software is wrong, phone is old. When you give to the company says, Samsung, Apple company says, bring it, and they give you a new phone, have you suffered loss or have you actually benefited or profited? Well, that's what the deen is saying. That's what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala